In this lesson, we will fix warnings and we will send our application to other people. Hi, Emulator. And what's the warning? The first, text view, hard-coded text. It is more difficult to translate our app to other languages. It's the first problem, and the second problem, it is difficult to reuse our strings in other parts of our application. To fix it, click Text View, swap down, then click Fix, and it is dialog window. We can change resource name. It will be congratulations text. It can be any name, but you must use lower cases and separate words by underscore. And notice file name strings XML. OK, there is no warning, and for TextView 2, make the same. Fix. The name is signature text. OK. And now if we find the text attribute, it will be not from John Gold, it will be string signature text. What is this? We have our file string XML in values folder. Choose values folder and strings XML. And there are all our strings resources. We have congratulation text, we have signature text, and we have app name. Change it, for example, my congratulations. And if we run our app, the name of our app will be my congratulations. We will make it at the end of lesson. Return to activity main XML, and the last warning for imageView is image without content description. What is this? Android have talkback function for users with disabilities or to interact with your app more easily. And we can add content description, or if we will not to use talkback in this app, we can disable it function. Select image view and in attributes find accessibility, important for accessibility, and choose no. That's okay. The orange triangles are disappears. Let's run our app before we will send it, and it's our congratulations application for Elon Musk from John Gold. If you want to send it, click Build in the top menu and then Build Bundles APK, and then choose Build APK. APK generated successfully, click Locate, and in Debug folder in our project, in this path, congratulations, app, build, intermediates, APK, debug. It's our APK file which we can launch in any Android phone. Let's rename it Congratulate APK. OK? And this file we can send to our friend for congratulate him. If you have any questions, you can write me in comments. See other videos on the channel, subscribe to the channel. Good luck and goodbye.